Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today, going to do a swipe. I have this really bright, may not be, but it's brilliant red, and it was a Premier paint that I had for a long time, that from AC Moore. So I'm using that, and I pretty much used the whole tube, mixed with iridescent medium and a little of this opal glitter medium that I like. And this, I think I got this at a Master's Touch. So I got this at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to be doing that today, and I see something in my paint. Hold on. Okay. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. Pop some air bubbles. And I'm going to be using some funky colors, I think. I'm going to use some Decor Pearl. Alright, I'm going to use some turquoise. This is very blue turquoise by Pebeo. I'm going to use Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. I'm going to use some phthalo green. I'm going to use a little of this Arteza Folk Art. This is a mixture of Folk Art Color Shift and Arteza Canary Pearl Yellow. There's only a little bit left. A little of this Candy Apple Green. And I'm going to put in a little Blue Black. So this is going to be, we'll see. But I'm going to swipe, and I'm going to use gold, my 24 karat gold. And I'm going to do a swipe, I think. Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to get started here, okay? Okay, I absolutely love this. I think it's so beautiful. There's so much sparkle in it. The black is just enough with the red and all the other colors, and I'm so glad I put that little bit of yellow in there. It's like almost rainbow through here. This is gorgeous, and all the little lacing, because the black, I've been using the black lately instead of the white, and it sinks almost. I mean, some of it stays, but a lot of it sinks, and you get all this incredible lacing. I mean, look at that. You should see it, the shimmer in this. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera down, but if you're new here, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like the video. Give me a thumbs up, all that great stuff. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to stop, but I can't even tell you. This is so out of my like norm, my comfort zone, but it's gorgeous. All right. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye now.